Today I'm going to show you how powerful the Amore release command is. And Amore is a toolkit to self-publish Mac apps outside the App Store. And yeah, let's just get right into it. After you installed Amore, I'm going to put the link in the description. You can just start using the Amore release command to release your app. And it's really, really fast because it takes care of all of these annoying steps that you normally have to do manually. So we're going to archive the app. We're going to export the archive. We're going to code sign your executable using your developer ID certificate. We're going to create an installer DMG so your users have this like drag and drop experience when they install the app. We're going to notarize the app so they don't see a gatekeeper warning when they try to do the install. And we're going to sign it then for the Sparkle updater. We're going to create a new appcast XML and upload the app binary for distribution. It sounds really complicated, but it really is just one command. I'm already here in the project folder of Pomodoro, which I'm also going to link in the description. And all I have to do is type Amore release. I'm going to use put this as a draft, so it's not going to automatically release it. So I can add some release notes to it. And I also have the defined scheme, which for our app is Pomodoro. And that's all I have to do. Now we basically just have to see and wait. So we can see the steps again. You can see we're going to archive the project. It is archived now. Now we're going to extract the app archive. It also did a bunch of pre-flight checks to see if we have Sparkle configured correctly with so it gets released where we actually want to, and to make sure that everything is already configured so the app can be code signed and notarized and so on. But that's already done. Now all we have to do is wait. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna speed up this video at this point so you can see all the little stages it's gonna go through, because it's gonna just take a little while. So now you can see we went through the whole flow and the app is released now. We get a little summary here. We can see the URL where we can download the app, and we can also see the latest URL that we can share with users. So you can put this link on your website, and every time a user downloads the app, they will get the latest version of the app. But that's basically how easy Amore makes it to publish a new app.